So guys, the very first thing all you have to do is just download this sunset rose mobile Lightroom preset, camera preset and Lightroom preset for your PC from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com, verified from the links down given in the description. So we're gonna just install this preset to our PC Lightroom as well as in Photoshop. So just right click on it and select extract here, and also do the same process on this camera. Verify, just right click on it and extract here. So it will extract these two folders. When you will open the folder of the Lightroom, you will find FP Sunset Rose AVC 2020. .lr template is the extension of desktop Lightroom. Now we're gonna install this to our Lightroom. So just right click on it and select copy. Here is a mobile Lightroom preset DNG file also, so you can just use it in your mobile Lightroom preset also. So now just go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation, go to this app data folder and select the roaming and go to the Adobe and just select the Lightroom folder from here. Go to the develop preset and select the user preset, or you can paste inside the filter preset folder. Just right click on it and select paste. We will just copy and replace, and here you can see FP Sunset Rose. AVC stands for ashvircreations 2020. FP stands for filter preset. Now we're gonna just install the camera preset. So just f.xmp is the extension of the camera preset for Photoshop. So just right click on it and select the copy and just go to the here. We will, instead of going to Lightroom, we're gonna just go to the camera and just go to the settings, just paste that preset over here, FP Sunset Rose 2020. Now we're gonna just restart the Lightroom as well as the Photoshop, and let's apply the preset on our photos and let's see how it actually looks. This will actually create a very perfect sunset rose type look to your photos, and it will just totally stand out your images from the rest. So let's just restart the Lightroom. So now we're gonna just go to the develop preset from here, or you can import some of the photograph. I have already imported the images, so now I'm gonna just go to the develop preset, and from the FP we're gonna just find the FP filter preset, that is FP, what was the name, that was Rose, that the preset name was Sunset Rose. So we're gonna just find the FP Sunset Rose. Here is the FP Sunset Rose preset. When you will apply the preset, and you can see the difference, it is really looking very kind of pinkish and perfect for your outdoor photos, or you're gonna find to edit your portrait photos also using this preset. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this photograph. Here is the preset Sunset Rose, and you are done. You can see the difference, a huge difference can be seen in the photo. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's try it on this photo. Click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very creative. Rose type of pink is perfect with sunset kind of effect, which makes your photograph a perfect Instagram photo. Let's just give the preset to this photo and you are done. You can see this is a kind of very trending photo which nowadays found on Instagram. So you can also use this kind of photo to color grade it and just make your editing skill and just move your photos to kind of next level and make a perfect portfolio for your Instagram. Let's just try it on this perfect green photo, Sunset Rose, and you can see the difference. Let's try it on this photograph, and you can see the difference. Now let's just try it on this green photo and just leave this preset and you are done. You can see the difference, perfect pinkish kind of rose effect. Let's try it on this photo. Wow, this one is looking very cool. Let's try it on this photo and you can see the difference. Also you can just try it on this. This one is looking very dope, guys. Let's apply it on this. You can also apply it to landscape photograph also, to make it look more kind of sunset look, so you can see the difference. So now let's just restart the Photoshop and let's apply the same preset using the camera filter menu. So let's restart your Photoshop. So here I have opened the Photoshop. Now we're gonna just add some photographs to our Photoshop. So let's just browse the photos. Here are some of the photos I have selected. And now we're gonna just drag and just drop to Photoshop. And just wait for the photos to be loaded in our Photoshop. So now just we're gonna go to the filter, select the camera filter. From there just go to the last tab, that is the preset tab. From here we're gonna just go to the FP Sunset Rose. Here is the FP Sunset Rose 2020, and guys you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very perfect. Pink is kind of rose look with sunset effect. Really it is a nice preset, guys. You must check this out. Now here let's try it on this photo. Go to the filter, select directly the camera filter, so it will automatically select the previous preset. Just apply the preset and you are done. You can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. This one is a very perfect preset, guys, with cool color effects. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the filter, select directly the camera filter, and you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very perfect, guys. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just hit the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs, and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff just for free. And also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets soon. So guys, stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, you can see the preset. This one is a very perfect preset. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just hit the like button. And also guys, don't forget to share this video and also subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.